So let's talk about XRP. XRP, our sweetheart, is still sitting at $3 right now. And the overall situation of XRP has not changed because it has started ranging in this area. Now, like I've said this previously as well, that this doesn't mean necessarily that it is bearish. This is the most bullish support that XRP has for the $4 journey. The only thing is that if it goes below $3, then it is starting the journey towards $2. And this is not necessarily bad. It might be the fact that they are not able to push it further. So if it goes down, then maybe it will attract more investors, and then if it tries harder next time, then it will be able to go and break it. I mean, you can pick the story from any angle, but it is playing with this red line that I had shared with you, and I'm sharing it with you from previous few days. It is basically suffering under this resistance line. This is the line of downward trend. If you look at it here, it looks like it is ranging, but if you look at this trend line, you actually realize that this is on a downward trend and it is not moving sideways. Visually, if you don't put a line on it, you would not even notice that there is some kind of a downtrend. Now, until and unless XRP doesn't break above this thing, I think I shared this yesterday, it was 3.15 or something, that it needs to go above 3.15 and form two candles of 4 hours, and then it will be above this red line. And we would assume that, okay, now it has started its journey. First, of course, break the all-time high of 3.4, and after that towards the $4. That's the overall situation of XRP. That has not changed at all. But as long as $3 holds, we have only one thing to do, and that is to expect the journey towards $4. And nothing else, because XRP is super bullish at this support area of $3, and XRP needs to lose $3 for 2 days. Only after that we can conclude that yes, this support zone is gone. The reason for that is very simple, that if you look at it on 4 hours, it looks like that it lost this area, but it went towards 2.6, which we had as a support area anyway. But if you look at it on daily, it didn't lose it for more than 2 days. So it is really sticking to this $3 support area, and it's a big ass wick. And if you take things in isolation, and if you're looking for something as bullishness in the chart, then this candle that you see, you can call it hanging man, you can call it hammer, whatever you want to call it. This is a bullish indication in a downward trend. Now, this is not a major downward trend. Generally, the rule is that when you're seeing a downward trend for, I think, like few months, a month or two at least, then when you see a candle like this, that is an indication. I saw a candle like this with Bitcoin. That was when Bitcoin was at 16,000, 17,000, those dollar prices. After that, it went and it created a candle like this, and I think that was on weekly. When I saw that, I realized that now Bitcoin is going to reverse, because Bitcoin was on a perpetual downward trend from $69,000, and I'm talking about late 2022 or start of 2023. It was somewhere there, and that was an indication. And on weekly, it makes sense. On daily, it is a still respectable candle, but this candle, if we had a larger time frame of downward trend, I would have taken it more seriously. But if you are in love, you can consider this candle to be the bullish signal. Once this candle appears, that indicates that it wants to go up from here. But as I don't have much data, that's why I'm not relying on it. But if you're looking for something bullish, then you have one sign. In isolation, it's a good news, but you can't look at something just in isolation and assume that that is enough to conclude everything. Other than this, everything else is fine with XRP. Let's talk about RLUSD, because I have promised you guys to keep an eye on that too. Now, RLUSD is sitting at $53 million market cap. I think last time was also 53, 54, something like this. Nothing has changed so far. And the volume on it is 55 million. So its volume hasn't changed either. The only good thing that has happened with the volume is that the volume has shifted from bullish to Bitstamp. Now, Bitstamp, you can see it has green names. This is a reputable exchange in comparison to this orange thing. This is called Bullish. Bullish exchange, I have no idea who uses them or where they are, but their ranking is not that good. But now they have a good volume on Bitstamp as well. That's 12 million. So it's a good sign that at least now they had few $100,000 volume there. Now they have volume on Bitstamp too. So the volume looks good, but the market cap hasn't grown, which means that the adoption is lacking. Once you start seeing the market cap growing, then you will be able to say that, okay, yes, this thing is growing. And when I say market cap growing, you have a market leader in this space, and that is USDT. Their market cap is $139 billion. So 53 million versus 139 billion, you can do the math. There is a big gap. Anyway, let's see how things go. It's too early to comment on it. Let's give RLUSD another 3 months, and then maybe we will be able to conclude that, okay, after its release of RLUSD in past 6 months, half a year, how much RLUSD has achieved, because we are recording it, so now we have a footprint. Anyway, that's it for XRP. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.